Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use Tabby at Jarir Bookstore step by step. If you are wondering how to get installment payment with no interest at Jarir, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to know this. What is Tabby? Tabby is a buy now, pay later platform used across the Middle East, including Saudi Arab, UAE, and more. It lets you split your purchase into four interest-free payments or pay later without a credit card in most cases. Jarir Bookstore has partnered with Tabby, so you can use it phones and laptops, tablets, school supplies, and more. Where can you use it? You can use Tabby at Zarir online on Zarir.com. Here you can see on my screen and or in store at any Zarir bookstore branch. Let's first look at how to use Tabby online and then how to use it in store. Then go first of all you have to go to the screen website Zarir.com. Add your product to the chart. Here you can see this. Then so now I can add these products. Here you can see. Then whether it's a phone, laptop, or tablet, go to checkout. Under payment method, choose Tabby. Here you can see this. The Here you can see this, the checkout now. And here under payment method, here you can your phone number and Tabby by now, pay later payment option, and you will be redirected to Tabby secure platform. Now either log in or sign up with your phone number. Tabby will show you your installment plan, usually 4 monthly payments, no interest, no fees, instant approval. If you qualify, confirm the plan and you are done. Jarir will process you order like normal. Hope you are enjoying this video and it's helped to you. Don't forget to subscribe the channels.